And we have putting it all together. From the previous modules, you will have learned that quite a lot of things go on behind the scenes when you request a web page in your browser. To summarize, when you request a website, your computer needs to know the server's IP address it needs to talk to. For this, it uses DNS, domain name system. Your computer then talks to the web server using a special set of commands called the HTTP protocol. The web server then returns the HTML, the JavaScript, CSS, images, and so on, which your browser then uses to correctly format and display the website to you. And we have this diagram that represents this request and response that we call to a web server. We have at the top left and the top right. Top left is our browser, top right is the server browser, the web server browser to be more specific, right? And we just access the web browser that we want via the domain name systems, basically the URL, which goes to the web server of our URL and then responds back with the HTML, the JavaScript, CSS, images, whatever that application has on that web server. Answer to the questions below. The most difficult questions to answer. I've read this. Pretty cool.